Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, your guide to financial empowerment. Today, we're delving into an essential topic: smart saving strategies, building wealth for the future. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your saving game, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. 1. The power of saving. Saving money is the cornerstone of financial success. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about creating a foundation for a secure future. In this segment, we'll explore the power of saving and how it can lay the groundwork for building wealth over time. 2. Creating a budget. The first step in smart saving is creating a budget. We'll discuss how to analyze your income, categorize your expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. A well-thought-out budget is the roadmap to allocate funds efficiently and make your saving goals achievable. 3. Setting financial goals. Every successful saving strategy begins with clear financial goals. We'll guide you through the process of setting smart goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Understanding what you're saving for gives purpose to your financial journey. 4. Emergency funds. In this segment, we'll talk about the importance of having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can prevent unexpected expenses from derailing your progress. Learn how to build and maintain an emergency fund to ensure financial resilience. 5. High-yield savings accounts. Maximize the growth of your savings by exploring high-yield savings accounts. We'll break down what makes these accounts different, how they work, and why they can be an excellent option for accelerating your savings while keeping your money easily accessible. 6. Automating savings. Consistency is key when it comes to saving. Discover the benefits of automating your savings, from direct deposits to setting up automatic transfers. We'll discuss how automation can make saving a seamless part of your financial routine. 7. Smart spending habits. Saving isn't just about how much you put away, it's also about what you don't spend. We'll explore smart spending habits that can free up more money for your savings goals. From cutting unnecessary expenses to making informed purchasing decisions, every dollar saved is a dollar earned for your future. 8. Retirement savings. It's never too early to think about retirement. We'll discuss the importance of saving for your golden years, different retirement savings vehicles like 401ks and IRAs, and strategies to ensure you're on track to enjoy a comfortable retirement. 9. Investment strategies. Take your saving to the next level by exploring investment strategies. We'll introduce you to the world of investing, discussing stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. Learn how your money can work for you and potentially generate additional income over time. 10. Review and adjust. In our final segment, we'll emphasize the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your saving strategies. Life changes, goals evolve, and your saving plan should adapt accordingly. We'll provide tips on staying proactive and ensuring your financial journey remains on the right track. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of smart saving strategies, building wealth for the future. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to a financially secure tomorrow. Until next time, encouraging you to save smart and build the wealth you deserve. Take care and stay financially empowered. What you think about the video, let me know in comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.